Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Hanover, local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move takes you at least 50 miles from your present position. Intrastate and interstate are example of the same term, and 3 movers have every tool and expertise to get the job done when it comes to long-distance relocating. The most extraordinary relocation services may be yours for a reasonable fee from us. We can move you because we have a skilled team and the right tools, and long-distance relocations are a specialty of our moving vehicles. Because of their training and experience, our movers and drivers carefully pack and load your belongings onto the trucks, and additionally, our insurance protects us if anything goes wrong during the relocation. Local migrations do not exceed a driving distance of 50 miles. Residents in Hanover, Indiana have difficulty finding movers that can help them relocate quickly, but 3 Movers is an experienced local moving company that is swift and efficient. The quality of our local moves is likewise excellent, and our excellent moving costs are pretty competitive. We work with your schedule and requirements, and our hourly rates are between $30 and $40. To learn more about us, you may ask the locals. As a result of our hard work, they will have nothing but good things to say about us. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Hanover moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, furniture moving, residential moving, international moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.